All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of the Bill Hall tracksuit. This is the main. So we'll check the time, July 11th at 11:14 p.m. We're going to go over to the main and type live. There we go. We have... Come on. July 11th at 11:14 p.m. There is the list of our 100 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a 3 dice roll of 8 or higher, and there we have 13. All right, 13 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is JJ. Spot 55 is your winner. So JJ, please message me to collect your Hall tracksuit. There is our verification code, our timestamp once again, July 11th, 11:15 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.